Easy skincare routine for beginners step by step. Hey everyone, welcome to Beauty and Tips. Today I'm super excited to share with you the ultimate skincare routine that will leave your skin glowing and radiant. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to flawless skin? Get cozy, because today we're diving into the ultimate skincare routine that will have your skin thanking you. First of all, understand your skin type. Oily skin falls to prone to shine and breakouts. Dry skin feels tight, flaky, or rough. Combination skin feels oily in some areas, usually the T-zone, and dry in others. Sensitive skin feels easily irritated, prone to redness and reactions. Normal skin balanced, not too oily or dry. Here's a simple step-by-step skincare routine for beginners. Moisturizing. Hydrate your skin daily with a moisturizer suited to your skin type. Even oily skin needs moisture to prevent overproduction of oil. Cleanser. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities from your skin. Choose one that suits your skin type, for example, foaming cleanser for oily skin, cream cleanser for dry skin. Toner. Apply toner with a cotton pad or your hands to balance your skin's pH and remove any leftover impurities. Serum. Use a serum with ingredients that address your skin concerns, for example, vitamin C for brightening, hyaluronic acid for hydration. Sunscreen. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Exfoliant. Use a chemical exfoliant to remove dead skin cells. Avoid physical scrubs, which can be harsh on the skin. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Healthy diet. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Sleep. Ensure you get enough sleep, as it's crucial for skin repair. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to skin problems like acne and eczema. Practice stress-relieving activities like yoga, meditation, or exercise. Don't overdo it. Too many products or excessive exfoliation can irritate your skin. Keep your routine simple and consistent. Essence. Apply an essence to deeply hydrate and enhance skin cell turnover. This step is crucial for achieving that dewy look. Sheet mask. Use a sheet mask 2 to 3 times a week to give your skin an extra boost of hydration and nutrients. Eye cream. Gently pat an eye cream around your eye area to keep it moisturized and reduce puffiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.